Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew beef. First, choose a good cut of beef, like chuck roast, for the most tender results. Cut your beef into uniform 5-inch cubes. This ensures even cooking. Next, sear the beef in batches in a hot pot until it's beautifully browned on all sides. This crucial step builds a rich flavor foundation for your delicious stew. After searing, remove the beef and add your aromatic vegetables, like chopped onions and minced garlic, to the pot. Sauté them until they are soft and fragrant. Then, deglaze the pot with a splash of red wine or beef broth, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. Finally, return the beef and add enough liquid to just cover everything. Now, bring your stew to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 2 hours, or until the beef is incredibly fork tender. About 1 hour before the stew is done, add your root vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes. If you prefer a thicker stew, you can mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry and stir it in. Once your stew is perfectly tender, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, and any fresh herbs you enjoy, like parsley or thyme. Let the stew rest for about 10 minutes off the heat before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your hearty stew with crusty bread or over mashed potatoes for a comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.